Our old office was a traditional office. We all had regular desks, we all sat in our chairs, everyone tended to hunch over, and by the end of the day, or 3 p.m., we were all kind of working like Gollum. It was difficult for my staff to connect with each other because there wasn't energy flow throughout the office. It was really broken up into pods, and so it segregated our teams. It was kind of a place where energy went to die. We're moving into our new office today.
Yeah.
The space just wasn't Walker Tracker. It didn't feel like a place that we belonged. So we're really excited to see what's coming next.
Great. Yeah.
It's the skyline.
Look at all these plants.
Our new office really works to connect everybody, and it actually provides a lot of energy for the team. You'll see this trend of one will stand up and then another will stand up. Everybody's standing, they're getting that energy, right? And then they go to lunch, they come back, they're probably gonna sit for a couple hours and the same thing happens again. And that up and down really kind of continues that flow of energy throughout the day.
I guarantee I'm more productive at work because of the adjustable desk situation. I'm not reading the studies, I just know what it means for me. I know that it makes me feel better and keeps me more engaged.
In our new conference room, it is a place where people gather, ideas happen, creativity happens. We stand around a tall desk, people pace throughout meetings, you know, you're walking, you're active. It's a space now that is creative for us and collaborative for us. If you're sitting in your traditional office and you're nervous about making this change, don't be. It was the best change that we made for my company in the last 9 years. It has improved our revenue, our productivity, the pace at which we are releasing product features for our software. Stop looking at the bottom line, start looking at the top line and focusing on lifting that up, having higher productivity within your workforce, and this is going to do that for you.